Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we are going to revise the whole poem My Mother at 66 through MCQs. Okay, let's start. Who is the poet of this poem? Correct answer is D. Kamla Das. Next question. What is her work known for? Correct answer is A. For its originality, versatility, and flavor of the soil. Next question. What is the kind of pain and ache that the poet feels? Correct answer is A. Losing her mother. Next question. In which languages has Kamla Das written stories and novels? Correct answer is D. English and Malayalam. Next question. Name the poetic devices used in the poem. Correct answer is D. All of these. इस poem में मेटाफर, सिमली, अलिटरेशन ये तीनों पोएटिक डिवाइस यूज हुए हैं. तो आपका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? D. All of these. Next question. What is the significance of the title My Mother at 66? Correct answer is A. Poet's fear of losing her old mother. Next question. Which poetic device is used in trees sprinting? Correct answer is D. Personification. ट्रीज स्प्रिंटिंग में कौन सा पोएटिक डिवाइस यूज हुआ है? पर्सोनिफिकेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द डिस्टिंक्टिव फीचर ऑफ द पोएम? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. नरेटिव स्टाइल यूजिंग अ सिंगल सेंटेंस इन अ सेट ऑफ 14 लाइन्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What does this narrative style of the poem signify? Correct answer is D. A single thread of thought mixed with harsh realities. Next question. What is the main idea of the poem? Correct answer is A. Painful old age. Next question. What did the poet realize with pain? Correct answer is A. Her mother's appearance like a corpse. Next question. What is the familiar ache? Correct answer is A. Her childhood fear of losing her mother. Next question. What do the running trees signify? Correct answer is C. Fast moving change in human life from childhood to old age. Next question. Who lives at Kochi? Correct answer is A. Poet. Next question. What does ashen face signify? Correct answer is C. Pale and lifeless face of poet's mother. Next question. What does the poet notice outside the car? Correct answer is A. Sprinting trees and running children. Next question. What do the parting words "See you soon, Amma" signify? Correct answer is B. Her optimistic farewell full of cheerfulness. Next question. What does the poet's smile signify in the poem? Correct answer is A. Her assurance to mother and helplessness inside. Next question. What is the universality of the theme of the poem? Correct answer is A. Death is a truth. Next question. What worried the poet when she looked at her mother? Correct answer is D. Her declining age. Next question. Why did the poet look at her mother again? Correct answer is D. Because of fear and insecurity. Next question. Which rhyming scheme is used in the poem? Correct answer is D. Free verse. Next question. Quote an example of a simile used in the poem. मीन्स पोएम में जो सिमिली पोएटिक डिवाइस यूज हुआ है उसके एग्जाम्पल को आपको इसमें से बताना है. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. लाइक दैट ऑफ ए कॉप्स. ये सिमिली पोएटिक डिवाइस का एग्जाम्पल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कोट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अलिटरेशन यूज्ड इन द पोएम. तो पोएम में अलिटरेशन जो यूज हुआ है उसके एग्जाम्पल को आपको इसमें से बताना है. तो इसमें लाइक एक्शन दिया हुआ है, स्माइल, स्माइल एंड स्माइल, फ्राइडे मॉर्निंग, ये दिए हुए हैं. तो इनमें से कोई भी अलिटरेशन का एग्जाम्पल नहीं है. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. नन ऑफ दीज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कोट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पर्सोनिफिकेशन यूज्ड इन द पोएम. पोएम में जो पर्सोनिफिकेशन यूज्ड हुआ है उसके एग्जाम्पल को आपको बताना है. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. स्प्रिंटिंग ट्रीज. स्प्रिंटिंग ट्रीज में कौन सा पोएटिक डिवाइस है? पर्सोनिफिकेशन पोएटिक डिवाइस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाई डज द पोएट फील स्केयर्ड. जो पोएट है वो स्केयर्ड फील क्यों करता है? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. बिकॉज ऑफ हर मदर्स डिटेरियोरेटिंग हेल्थ. Why does the poet feel parted, upset and sad? Correct answer is D. Because of her duty towards mother and her own needs. Next question. What is the tone of the poem towards the end? Correct answer is C. Cheerful. What does the poem revolve around? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. ऑल ऑफ दीज. क्योंकि पोएम में पोएट्स फियर, पोएट्स लव फॉर हर मदर, थीम ऑफ ओल्ड एज, ये सभी बातें कही हैं. तो इसी वजह से करेक्ट आंसर आपका क्या होगा? ऑल ऑफ दीज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट क्वेश्चन अराइजेस फ्रॉम द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ द सिचुएशन इन द पोएम? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. How to strike a balance between duties and responsibilities. Next question. What does the expression smile, smile and smile signify? Correct answer is D. Poet's desperate efforts to hide her fears. Next question. What was the expression of the poet's face while parting from her mother? Correct answer is D. Smiling. Means जब पोएटे से अपनी माँ से पार्टिंग हो रही होती है, अलग हो रही होती है, तो उसके फेस पे कैसे एक्सप्रेशन होते हैं? तो उसके फेस में स्माइलिंग होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Whose house the poet was leaving? जो पोएट है किसके हाउस को लीव कर रही होती है, किसके घर को छोड़ रही होती है? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. हर पेरेंट्स हाउस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वाज द पोएट्स चाइल्डहुड फियर? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. लूजिंग हर मदर. पोएट का चाइल्डहुड फियर क्या है? लूजिंग हर मदर मीन्स अपने माँ को खोना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What were the words she used while parting from her mother? मीन्स जब पोएटेस अपनी माँ से, अपनी मदर से अलग हो रही थी, वो कौन से वर्ड यूज करती है? अपनी माँ को क्या बोलती है? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. सी यू सून अम्मा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What pangs did she feel when she looked at her mother? Correct answer is D. Pangs of heartache. Sprinting means short fast race. Correct answer is A. Next question. The theme of the poem is fear of separation from the mother. Correct answer is C. Next question. Trees sprinting and merry children spilling is an attempt by the poet to create visual imagery. Correct answer is C. Next question. Kamala Das has successfully drawn comparisons between the children and her mother. Correct answer is A. Next. The mood in the last two lines is that of acceptance of reality. Correct answer is C. Next question. What was the expression on the narrator's face? Correct answer is A. Smiling face. Next question. The childhood fear was the fear of separation from mother. Correct answer is A. Next question. Winter's moon is a reference to the mother's old age. Correct answer is A. Next question. The narrator looked at her mother again after the security check. Correct answer is A. Next question. The narrator also saw children running out of their homes. Correct answer is A. Next question. Kamala Das realized that her mother was very old. Correct answer is C. Next question. The mother of the poetess was dozing off. Correct answer is D. नरेटर की जो मदर है, जो पोएटिस की जो मदर है, वो क्या कर रही थी? डोजिंग ऑफ कर रही थी, ऊँघ रही। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द पोएट वॉज ड्राइविंग टुवर्ड्स द एयरपोर्ट. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द पोएट वॉज लीविंग द हाउस ऑफ हर पेरेंट्स. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What was the expression of the poetess face while parting from her mother? Correct answer is D. Smiling. Next question. What is the familiar ache? Correct answer is A. Her childhood fear of losing her mother. Next question. Smile and smile and smile is repetition. Correct answer is C. Next question. The narrator again compared her mother to late winter's moon. Correct answer is C. Late winter's moon. तो नरेटर ने अपनी मदर को फिर से कंपेयर किया है, दोबारा कंपेयर किया है. किससे कंपेयर किया था? लेट विंटर मून से कंपेयर किया. Trees sprinting is a poetic device. It is personification. Correct answer is A. Okay. We will continue in the next session. Okay, thank you.